What's this? Takes a little hard in practice. Takes a little hard in practice.
How'd you do that?
Well, you put the blossom in one hole, and then come out in a different hole. Ta-da! Here's some feathers. They are real ostrich feathers. Did you know that, guys?
Wow.
That's really true. See?
It's beautiful.
There is a sticker here.
Oh, thank you.
That put the sticker.
Let me see the finished product. Beautiful. Say happy birthday, Julia.
Happy birthday, Julia.